In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default search location in Microsoft Outlook Fast 2025 Guide. If you feel like Outlook keeps searching in the wrong place, setting a better default search location can save you time every single day. Let's walk through it together so you can make Outlook search exactly where you want by default. First, open your browser, search for Microsoft Outlook, and sign into your account. Use the account you actively manage email in, and give the page a moment to load your mailbox. If you use multiple accounts, double check that you're in the right one before changing settings so the preference applies where you expect. Next, inside Outlook, go to File. You'll find this in the upper left corner of the app window. Clicking File opens the main app settings area. If your Outlook layout looks a bit different, don't worry. The idea is to open the Outlook settings panel so we can adjust search preferences. From there, select Settings. This takes you into the place where Outlook's behavior can be customized. You'll see categories down the side or across the top. We're heading to Search, which is where the default search scope lives. Click Search. This section controls where Outlook looks when you type into the search bar and press Enter. Choosing the right default scope helps you narrow results immediately, without changing the filter every time. Now choose the search scope you want. The most common choices are Current Folder, Current Mailbox, or All Mailboxes. Pick Current Folder if you tend to search in one specific folder, like your inbox, and want results to stay focused. Choose Current Mailbox if you want Outlook to look across all folders in your active account. Select All Mailboxes if you manage multiple mailboxes and often need to search everything at once. Think about your daily workflow and pick the option that saves the most clicks. While you're here, review the options under Search Results. You can check or uncheck settings like including results from subfolders, showing results as you type, or surfacing the most relevant messages at the top. These controls fine-tune how results appear and can reduce noise if you're getting too many matches. If you're unsure, enable the options that make results appear faster and are easiest for you to scan. Remember, you can always come back and tweak them later. That's it. Your changes usually save automatically. Close the settings window, run a quick test search, and confirm the results match your new default. With this set, Outlook will search in the right place from the start, helping you find what you need faster every time.